Aida, I saw your timeline post on Twitter yesterday. You post a lot of photos that you took on Thailand.
Yeah, during each trip, I always take a lot of photos to keep memories.
And you will post it all on social media?
Not really, I just posted a few pictures, the ways I'm going to print out and send to my parents.
Oh, to your parents. Wow. Your parents will be happy to see them.
Yeah, in addition sending
Mm-hmm.
photos,
Mm-hmm.
I also
Right.
wrote a letter
Mm-hmm.
about interesting things during the trip to my parents.
They will be glad to read your letter.
I also want to be able to travel them next time.
Oh, okay.